Hello everybody. Now today I'm going to give a freebie. I'm going to give resources to everybody. Now guys, this is password protected, and so just make sure you get a password and then you download it. This is a free paper texture. This video is going to last for maybe 30 seconds or so. I just want you to have this. Okay, so this is how it is like. If you are wondering how to use it, let me open Photoshop for you, and then let me also try and then maybe import a file. I'm going to use this. I do this a lot. It makes my work epic, very interesting, and it might do the same for you as well. Let me open this one. Okay, it might do the same thing as well. Now what textures does to flyer is that it makes you feel a certain richness to it. Okay, it makes you feel certain richness to it, and so I could drag any of them, drag it into Photoshop, and then the trick has to do with the blending modes. Okay, so I'll drag this side here, then I'll drag this side here. Now the trick has to do with the blending modes. Okay, so all I have to do is just go to the blending modes and then set it to any of them. You can see it's showing. All right, so play with them until you find the perfect one that you love.